Huh?
No.
No?
No.
Here,
Okay,
come on.
so
Let me take this out of your way.
that's the exhaust valves. Rockers, and they have some slack. You can hear it. And the intake ones, they had no slack, so I turned them back a little bit, and now I have slack. See the cam? The lobe of the cam is up here. Lobe is up here. Come on, focus. Lobe is up here, and the lobe of the exhaust cam is up here. So we're at top. Alright, we're gonna do compression check. Cylinder number 4. Alternator is disconnected, harness disconnected, battery is connected. I dropped something. What did I drop?
I don't know.
Oh, the filler gauges. We didn't use the filler gauges because...
You're that good, right?
Wow. Sometimes.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna crank.
Ready?
Hey, let it spin like a couple times.
Push on the brake. Ready?
Ready?
Here we go.
Go. Wow, that's nice. That's promising.
What did we get?
Last time we got from the dealer on paper. What was it? 110.
110.
Right now we're getting 150, and we were spiking to 160. Okay, give it one more turn. I'm gonna check for the slack again. Turn it.
For a full cycle?
No, just click it.
What do you mean click it?
I want to make sure the lobe is not pushing down.
It's on down right now?
Hold on. Okay, spin it.
Full cycle?
Half. Thank you. And we got another click. One more.
Ready?
Yes. Okay, we got slack. Release pressure. Do it one more time.
One more?
Yes.
Full cycle?
Full cycle. $150. Oh, looks like we have compression. We have a oil mess over here. So you have 150 compression. Let's check the timing. So now we're gonna cover it up. We're gonna fire the car.